Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 6, that is banking and macroeconomics. I told you there are three sources of money supply, that is RBI, commercial bank and government. RBI print new currency in form of notes and coins which is issued by the RBI, by which way RBI known as a supplier of money in the economy. Same way government also. Government print 1 rupees coin and issued in the economy. That's why government is also known as money supplier. Now commercial bank. Commercial bank is known as a money supplier in the economy, but commercial bank don't have any authority of issuing currency. It means print currency. Yet I ask you, commercial bank is known as a supplier of money. How? Commercial bank create money. That's why commercial bank known as a money supplier. Now how commercial bank create money? Commercial bank create money by demand deposit. Now what is the meaning of demand deposit? Demand deposit means demand deposit of the people with the commercial bank, which they can withdraw any time on demand. That's why it is known as demand deposit. It means if I have deposited any amount in the bank which I can withdraw any time, that is known as demand deposit. Through check also I can deposit and withdraw. That's why it is known as checkable deposit. It means the amount which deposit of the people with the commercial bank which can be withdrawn any time through check, that is known as checkable deposit. Now how commercial bank create money? In this section we are going to discuss money creation process by the commercial bank. What is the process? First of all, bank receive cash deposit. If I am depositing cash into the commercial bank, that is known as primary deposit. Which kind of deposit? Primary deposit. Second step, bank lends money, given loan to the borrowers, but that borrowing amount not in form of cash, only credit, in form of check also, which is known as credit entries. When these credit entries deposited into the bank, that is known as secondary deposit. Let me give you one example. If I am depositing cash into the bank, that is known as primary deposit. If I am depositing any amount through check, that is known as checkable deposit. It means through check or any other source, that is known as checkable deposit, or we can say secondary deposit. Primary deposit plus secondary deposit equal to demand deposit. Primary deposit, cash deposit, secondary deposit in form of check or in form of any credit, that is known as demand deposit. Now, what banks do? The next step, bank maintains reserve. It means bank keeps reserve on these demand deposit. That is a minimum reserve which is decided by the RBI, which have to maintain from commercial bank as a cash reserve with RBI. That is known as reserve. Bank keeps reserve on the demand deposit. Clear? This demand deposit, this cash reserve, minimum cash reserve which is decided by the RBI, and a commercial bank keep or maintain this reserve with RBI. That is legal reserve ratio also. Next, remaining amount after demand deposit minus cash reserve, whatever the amount is getting, that remaining amount banks lend in the economy, gives loan to the people, by which way they create money supply. It means by which way commercial bank do money supply in the economy. The money supply or the money created by the commercial bank, that is known as bank money. Now, how the bank is keeping the reserve, how much amount bank create. By this formula, we can understand how much total amount is created by the bank and how many times. Look at their total deposit. That is a very easy formula, 1 upon RR. It means reserve rate into 100 into cash deposit. By which formula we are able to calculate how much amount is created by the bank. Sorry, not total deposit, total money creation you can use the word. Total money creation by the bank, how much money is created by the bank. 1 upon RR, RR means reserve rate, which I told you later on. How many rates are there? That is known as reserve rate. RR equal CD equal to cash deposit. By this formula, we can calculate how much amount is created by the bank. Clear? Now, how many times commercial bank can do the transaction? There is also one formula, that is known as money multiplier. Money multiplier means money multiplier. Money multiplier, which is denoted by K also. Money multiplier, it means how many times bank create money. By this formula we are able to calculate 1 upon RR into 100. Clear? By which way we are able to find out how many times, number of times money create. In this formula, we are able to calculate total money creation, and by which formula we are able to calculate how many times commercial bank can create a money. Clear? Now, in this session, we will solve one example. I will solve one example, practical example, by which you will be able to do how commercial bank create money. Clear? Thank you.